Hi, I'm going to use my phone for this video today because I'm having trouble with my power in my apartment. I was I was in the middle of making a video on my computer when the power went out, and it and right now I'm just I mean, we've had another snowstorm. This, this I mean, yeah. I mean, um, last night, and just uh, it just kind of sucks that we have to have our winter storms this late in the season. Trying to play catch up with all the snow. I mean, I'm gonna make this video as short as possible. I mean, in case the power goes out again. I mean, I just want to make sure people are safe in their apartments. That, I mean, you probably may be watching this in a place where you haven't had any snow, but sorry about my eyes. It's just like either like I'm trying to keep my eyes looking like they're fully awake. I know I have the tendency of just like like making my eyes really big. It's like trying trying to keep them from looking like I'm like I'm sleeping, and uh, I want to know I still care for you people out there. This is probably going to be a really hard video to make, but well, I want to make sure I mean, I know I woke up late. I mean, and I just having my coffee right now, and just want to make sure that I'm fully awake. And I don't know. We really need better dispersion of our snowfalls. And fortunately, we can't. There's nobody we can complain to about this except God. I know. He's like, God, why can't you bring down the snow in like January is so dry, or in February. Anyway, that's pretty much all I'm going to really say in this video. I mean, so have a good day, and God bless you.